Goodness. Well, welcome back to Muck Road Loggers. We are here in the quarry again, Grand Canyon Quarry. Muck Road Loggers. Boy, that feels good. Rolls right off the lips, man, I tell you. Muck Road Loggers. Did a lot of hunting around and doing way more research than I thought I'd ever do to learn about how words work together and your mouth formation. It's weird. Muck Road Loggers. This is our first episode as Muck Road Loggers. We are cutting trees today, doing some logging. There's a big festival in our local area, so we're trying to get things done before it's the middle of the afternoon. It's not nice enough to go up there no more. Kind of cloudy today. Been a while since I've done a weather forecast. But man, every day's been hot. It's like California. When every day's beautiful, there's no sense in giving you a weather forecast. Just kind of looking this thing over and making sure nothing's falling off, and I'm 100% sure they've already been here taking a peek at it. They're cutting trees right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my saw set up and at least have a look down there, make sure I don't get ran over or something. You always gotta be cautious when you're walking into a set of woods and people are cutting. That goes if you're working in a crew or if you're just on your property and your neighbor's cutting some trees out. So tree safety is really important. You gotta make sure you go home to your family. Having said that, hope you guys enjoy the episode. We're gonna get right to it and cut some trees and get some logs out here. Break a sweat maybe. Boy, I tell you, I'll try to find some pictures of when we first started here, but there's a big difference now. It's all cleared out over here. Hard to tell if it was thicker than a 100-year wilderness. I'm gonna get down there and see if those guys will come back up or they're gonna cut a couple more. There's something you don't see every day in a pile of filth. Hopefully Sebastian with somebody's dog or something. Get out of here, Jeffrey.
Get over here. Got the camera off quick. Don't turn around the front.
Where do you need to go
What are
here?
you thinking? Move your camera. It's going that way.
Going your way.
No, I'm gonna fucking put it the other way so I save myself. It's fucking windy.
Yeah, it's fucking with us down here.
Get, go, you go.
Jesus. What the fuck?
It's that wind. That's why I told Jeffrey I didn't want to cut that side today. The wind's coming from right that way.
I'm not sure how much of that guy's you've seen, but that was fun. Jeffrey needs me.
Oh
Sure knows no branch is gonna fall on your head.
Yeah, I remember last time. What the fuck, dude?
Give her up top. This one's a little bigger.
I noticed that was pushing pretty good though.
Yeah, it's definitely pushing it more than wedges, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the wedges suck today. The skidder's doing the trick. Bye-bye.
All right. Your challenge, if you choose to accept it. We got 20 trees on the ground with firewood attached to it. You gotta pull logs with trees or scale them in the woods and yank them out. This must be done in 2 hours. If you choose to accept this mission, click the like button and turn on the bell. got wicked lucky with the GoPro, man. I was already budgeting in my head how I was gonna grab another one.
Yeah.
Jamie's got one, but it's old. He doesn't really use it. Time for the official scaling of the pile for the day. It's like a whole freaking, it's like a whole area of firewood.
Yeah, open here, backside of
Oh.
They'll probably half
Yeah, it'll barely eke out a load of milk.
Oh, we'll get more. There's bigger ones over here. I was showing Jeffrey this morning. Some big ash.
Yeah. The last 20 trees that are big are gonna do it. Yeah.
If you like what you see, make sure you give us a thumbs up, guys, alright? Make sure you guys come back next week.
Got one more to do, then we're wrapping up the week. If you guys like this kind of content, come back. We do an episode every week. Usually about the same stuff. Sometimes we get working on things. And subscribe. Turn the bell on. Give us a like. If you want to support our little team of Muck Road loggers out here. So on that, have a good week.